Alright, so my people, as this whole matter dey go on, a lot of people come dey accuse Sunday Igboho say he don collect Ekunje o, say he don collect Ekunje, na make am dey do this agitation. Now Sunday Igboho don come declare say if you know say you dey among the people when e be say e give am money, say make e come dey do all this agitation, make you come forward come talk, make you come out come talk say yes, and make you tell them how much you give am. He say all this thing when he dey do, he say Baba God there when he dey heaven don anoint him head, say na him go lead him people to comot from this whole katakata wey be say e dey before Yoruba nation. Say so nobody give am one naira, nobody give am. Say so him go make sure say him comb the whole forest to remove all those herdsmen. Popular Yoruba activist Sunday Adeyomo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has issued a fresh eviction notice to Fulani herdsmen in the southwest. All right, so my people, now welcome to my channel. This is Maureen Gist TV. In case you are watching me for the first time, I beg make you hit the subscribe button. Make you click the bell notification so that anytime I upload video, you go get notification. For all my returning subscribers, I say una do well, una thank you. God bless una. All right, so my people, the person when una they see in photo for here, now that they call Sunday Igboho. My people, Sunday Igboho now one of the people where be say one of the person when he be say he come and say no. He say all die na die. Say they cannot continue to dey live like this. Say wetin dey happen. He say all these herdsmen wey be say dem don occupy the whole forest for southwest. He say no way. He say he don issue another fresh notice. Say make them begin dey pack dey comot for the forest. Say in fact work dey start on Monday. He say he no dey give issue. He no dey issue notice, or he no dey talk when he no go do am. Say he na talk na do. Say he go make sure say he go supervise the whole stuff. He say and all this one wey be say dem dey do. Say dem dey do. Say Yoruba nation don come to into existence. He say 2023 no election. He say nothing like election. He say make all this governor, if dem like, make them come out come dey talk say make dem no do. Say that one concern dem. Say because the Yoruba nation belongs to all of them. Say no governor will stop am. Say this time around in ready for them. My people know Sunday Igboho made this thing known to people when in spokesperson wey they call Oluyemi Koiki na him come grant the interview, come dey stress say he go make sure say as he don give out this order, he go monitor the whole stuff, make sure say there is compliance. Sunday Igboho come insist say all this governor no go fit stop Yoruba nation. Say the rally dem go hold. He said they won't start rally. Say because Yoruba nation belongs to everybody, belongs to all of them. He say no be by force. Say people must marry, people must live together. Say if person say he no want marry again, say dem go allow am make e go. He say so e don reach the time wey be say Yoruba people go pack their load and go. Say 250 million Nigerians, one set of people no go just dey control a whole 250 million Nigeria. Say make everybody waka their own separate way, go their own. And wetin Sunday Igboho talk o, he say come 2023 nothing go make election whole. Say he ready, and he ready to put for this matter. Now say like seriously my people, e be like say this activist thing or this agitation thing na sure pass o. E be like say I go my village now, I go take charge of my village. Now me go be the person wey be say go dey represent my village or as per this agitation something. All right, so my people, I'm just joking. The whole thing is no longer funny. It's not funny at all. Why I say it's not funny at all, be say this country when all of us belong to, when it be say now all of us get am, some people can't just feel say now they not get the right pass, because animal farm say all animals are equal, but some are more equal than other. And I be waiting they happen for this Nigeria now. It be like say some people, this Nigeria now their birthright. They don't feel say this Nigeria, as they don't hijack this country, not them. Now their birthright. So other ethnic group go just go shocking for one corner. Hey, whether they like it or not, they should do something, because This whole thing wey be say dey happen for this country, youth are not smiling. No, youth are not smiling, because this country, the way the whole thing just be now, our people wey be say dem dey abroad, dem dey suffer. Our land dey stone dem, dey suffer. Dem dey pass through a lot of humiliation for all this outside country, all this abroad people. Wetin dem dey take our people eye dey see for abroad. So most people wey be say dey there abroad, they wan come back to house. So they wan come back to their father's land, which is Naija. And the only reason why be say e dey make people no dey come back na because of all this kili wey be say e dey happen for Naija. People just feel say if dem come this country, dem no go dey safe. And na true, because the way the country be now, person no know wetin e go do everywhere. So, and all these herdsmen of 18, their own don too much. E just me, I wan come dey ask one question, say, is it that this cow wey be say dem dey carry dey waka dey go bush, from one bush to another, dey carry dey go kpai people anyhow? Is it that for America dem no dey get cow meat for there? How dem dey take dey do their own? Why be say Nigeria wickedness too much for this country? Why? Person go just cultivate farm finish, another human being when he call himself a herdsman go just go invade the person farm, chop all the crop finish. Na the thing when e dey cause kasala, na the thing when e dey cause gbegerity for this country be this. Now people no go continue to dey live like this. People no go continue to dey live like this. E take somebody wey be say e dey brave enough to really say no, enough is enough. Nnamdi Kanu dey do im own for east. Igboho na don stand say no, im don come. Im na be the person wey be say Baba God oil im head, say im must save im people from this whole katakata when e dey go on. When e be say sotey even our women no fit go enter bush say dem wan go farm, because dem go dey fear say Fulani herdsmen go kerewa dem, or dem go kill dem. Dem go by force shukushuku dem, come kpai dem. So my people, and the thing when e dey there be this. So na wetin Sunday Igboho don come out to. He say im go comb all the forest. So now as dem dey comb head, he say im go comb all the forest, make sure say all these herdsmen wey be say dem go hide themselves, because most of them wey be say dem dey inside those forests, dem dey perpetrate all sort of GBT, all sort of mago, all sort of criminality wey be say dem dey do for there. So people no continue to dey live like this. People no continue to dey live like this. Now e don set, e don happen. Sunday Igboho say for where? He say he ready. Say so the very soon rally go start. And he say make all these governors, make dem no chook their mouth put for the whole thing. Say he ready for them. He say as per all these our leaders, all these our obas them, all these our oba them, all these our king them. He say make the Yoruba people, make dem no insult them again, make dem just leave them. Say because you know say dem dey accuse them, say that they collect money from Oga Patapata wey be Oga Buhari. Say that they collect money for government. They take they enrich themselves. He say the money belongs to all of us. Say so make dem no insult all this our king. Then say they go they collect bribe. Make dem leave them. If they wan collect, make dem collect the money. Now everybody get am. Say so not be because of say the country be like this. So my people, how una see this whole thing? How una see this whole thing? Say he say one thing wey Buhari no understand be say people no go continue to dey live as one again. If people say they no want again, you go allow them, make them go their own separate way. So no be by force. Marriage no be by force. So na the thing when e dey there be that. Now wetin Sunday Igboho don come out, come talk. He say those people wey be say dem dey accuse am say im don collect money, im don collect ekunje from so that im go stop this agitation. Say no amount of money wey be say dem go give am wey go make am stop this agitation. Say if you like, make you carry bomb, say you wan come bomb am. Say im go send thunder, make thunder hit you. Say so im get that power. All right, so my people, Nigeria, una don see person wey be say strong reach una. All right, una think say na Nnamdi Kanu wey be say una dey do anyhow. Now here I won't stop for my people. What are your thoughts? In case you get anything wey be say you want to talk, leave your comment for the comment section, because this Sunday Igboho, he ready for now. He ready for now. Well. All right, so my people, make I read some few comments for the comment section. Somebody say you will see the army will soon go after him because Buhari has turned Nigeria army to herdsmen. For you to see that the federal government is using the army to attack the community, and they say herdsmen. Another person say, confirm, good man, I am Igbo man, but I love this man. Biafra, Oduduwa, stroke Oduduwa, Nigeria, we move together. Southern Nigeria, we move together. Oh, wow. All right, to my people, now here I won't stop. If you never subscribe to this channel, I beg make you hit the subscribe button. Oh. Make you click the bell notification so that I go dey bring more gist for una. Una do.